you say, how are you, honey?
Car.
Carter, say, how are you, honey?
A car.
A car, yeah.
A car.
Where's the Barbie?
A car. A car.
Can you say a Barbie car?
Car.
Say a Barbie car.
This is not Barbie car. This is a Barbie. This is our Barbie. And this is Leon's stick.
Yeah.
This is Wayne Quinn. Here, monsters and
Carter,
awesome.
Carter, say, how are you, honey? Carter.
There's Wayne Quinn.
Hey, Carter. Carter, Carter, Carter. How are you, honey? Good job. I love you.
Hey, this is
Can you say I love you, Maddie? Say I love you, Maddie.
Hey, look, there's